Okay, today's service call puts me into an apartment that's leaking water downstairs into a storage area. I was called out here on Friday. I had a condenser to clean in another unit, and well, the closets are packed solid. See, the AC is still running. So the closets were packed solid, and I couldn't do any work because I'm not allowed to touch anybody's stuff. I'm gonna look at the filter, but I'm not gonna do anything for it because in less than, let's see, a month, they'll be changed. If it's that bad, I'll go change it, but I mean, in September, I'll probably spend a week in this apartment complex just changing filters and turning on heat, make sure it works. The filter looks pretty good still. Okay. So, let's go check out the unit. Now it could either be this one or the one on top. Oh my. Check out that. Interesting, a little circuit board inside the light. Never opened one of the little lights up. My unit is behind this wall. And we've Swiss cheesed this over time because this comes off twice a year. This wall, numerous screw holes. There's the only screw probably holding it in. Okay, let's move the fancy wall out of the way. Oh, we got going on, we got water underneath the unit. Yeah, water is dripping out of the unit right there. We got a leaker. Okay, and I think I found the leaker. Oh yeah, plug drain. Let's bring my tools in here. I'm not gonna need anything. You gotta love the design of these. Every single one is kinked right there. Let's go get some secret. Let's get the secret drain cleaning ingredients, the special recipe to clean drains out. There we go. Hot water. Special drain cleaning sauce. Because once I pop that, whatever is in the way, I'm going to flush it with some hot water. Want to make sure the drain flows. Make sure I don't have to bring in any nitrogen or anything and blast it. So my secret drain cleaning chemical is, ta-da, Voda, water. Agua, and numerous other names for this beautiful H2O. Gatorade, H2O. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. Okay. Let's clear my drain. Whatever. Let's pop this off first. Let's see. Yep. There's the drain pan in here. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. Let's pop this. I don't know why all of a sudden I have the water boy stuck in my head. Adam Sandler's funny guy. Bloop. Drain clear. Okay. We got a piece of garbage in there. Now we have a clear drain. You saw that piece of crap fall out of there. I hope I didn't have the camera where this is blocking. While we have this out, let's go to our special ingredient, special drain cleaning stuff. Give it a good rinse. Okay. You now have a clean drain. Let's get some more hot water. Just pour it into the pan real fast. Don't worry too much about the water spilling that I spilled, because I mean, it already was spilling. Is this who lives here? I have no idea. The best is yet to come. Or is that the kids? I have no idea. Sometimes I wonder, sometimes I don't, who lives where. It doesn't really matter. Probably this lady. She's in most of the pictures. You go too fast, it's not gonna drain right away if you go too fast. Let's give us a little more light in here. You can see it's going through. Bubbles happen through. Oh. This is an easy service call. I like the easy ones. And it's still going through. Perfect. Let me just waste the rest of the water. Okay. Boom. My special secret drain tools that cost a lot of money back the other, so they go back in the truck. Very expensive. A bottle that would go in the garbage and a Panduit zip tie. All I use for drain cleaning. Okay, let's close this up. And we can put the wall back. We're done. Model serial number, I'll take a picture. So I can enter it into my paperwork. Oh, I'm Bill the HVAC hacker. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Sometimes some service calls in the HVAC world are very easy, like this. Other times they could be a pain in the dupka. It's different all the time. But you take the good and the bad. We just do it all. I'm Bill the HVAC hacker. I'm out. Peace.